Hello, my name is Stephanie Itzel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about toners and how to use them. I feel like to have a better skincare regimen, it's really good to have a toner. I just want to show you examples of toners that I have that I actually use on a daily basis. There's different types of toners for different types of skin. A lot of toners at the drugstore are going to have alcohol in it. You really need to be careful with alcohol because alcohol can dry out your skin, and if you already have dry skin, then that's not good. Ultrafacial toner from Kiehl's. This is one I use. It's for all skin types, but my favorite one that I use is the Calendula Herbal toner from Kiehl's. I really like this one because it's normal to oily skin types. As you can see, it does have the calendula petals in it. It literally smells like tea. Toners help hydrate your skin and balance out the pH level. Usually when you put a toner on, you want to take a cotton pad like this, just a flat one. Sometimes I do like to buy the ones that have the little texture right here because it helps kind of exfoliate the skin when you are trying to take everything off. You would want to take the toner and go like this, and you just swipe it all across your face. If you do not have these, you can just put it in your hands like this. I don't want to use too much. And you can just press it into the skin. It's really good to actually have these sometimes because sometimes you do have residue from face wash or cleanser that you weren't able to remove when you were washing your face. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, how to use toner. There are different toners that you can use. This is another one I use. I really like this one because it smells amazing. It smells like cucumber and aloe and green tea, and it's by Mario Badescu Skincare. And so toner is actually going to be the second step in your regimen after you cleanse your face. It's really good to tone your face because sometimes when you wash your face, you're taking out some of the good oils. This will actually balance out the pH levels, so it's going to put those good oils back in there so your face is a little bit hydrated already before you actually put your moisturizer on. But I kind of just wanted to talk about toners a little bit and just explain to you why it's good to do it. If you don't feel like doing it, just make sure you moisturize and you cleanse your skin every day. Thank you. I hope you like this video. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded anything. I'm actually gonna try to tape a couple today, so thank you.